Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Set to see if the parking brake works. It does. So we'll start the old Chevy up. There you see, got good oil pressure, aftermarket temp gauge. Let's see. Fan works. Heat. Missing defrost arm there. Radio must not work. Sounds like it comes on, but I don't know if there's any speakers. So. Wipers work. This windshield I think's been in there since '92, so that's pretty impressive. Got a little wear mark up on the top there. Horn works. And the blinker works. So take a look at the lights. As you can see, it seems to run really good. Excuse me here. Couldn't get it open with one hand, sorry about that. Runs nice and smooth. Got the, an little quadri-jet on it with points still. Power steering, power brakes. That really runs nice and smooth. Oh, that light did work, but we'll have to check that out. There's your marker lights working. They put and your tail lights work. So pretty good running, driving truck, sounds good. Got a little bit of exhaust. Got a belt squealing. 605-695-7391.